Hi, this is Avinash Singh, founder of Training Influence. Let's influence the world. In this segment of 21 days, I bring to you beautiful stories with life lessons. The more you imbibe the essence of these stories in your life, the more you will be able to improve yourself day after day. So let's get started. Once upon a time, in the village of Kisangad, there lived a farmer named Ram Kisan. He had three sons, Ravi, Mangal, and Guru. Now Ram Kisan loved working on his farm. In fact, he toiled day in and day out. But his sons, they didn't like working on the farm. They did help their father here and there. But mostly, Ram Kisan felt all alone working on his farm. Days, months, years passed by. Ram Kisan grew older. One fine evening, he felt very sick and called all his sons to his bedside. He told them, "My dear sons, I think my time has come. I have the farm which is great, and on that farm I have left you a great treasure." Saying this, he passed away. Now his sons were very sad, losing their father. But they had a twinkle in their eye about that great treasure. So the next morning, they started digging. Day in and day out, they dug. At the end of 15 days, they had dug the whole farm. But the great treasure, nowhere to be found. Eventually, exasperated, they came back home. In the evening, sipping their tea, the eldest one, Ravi, told the other two, Mangal and Guru, "Look, brothers, we have toiled very hard. We haven't so in the past so many years. Let's not get this hard work go to waste. We have seeds from last year. Let's use that and finish the process by sowing these seeds on the dug up farm." All three agreed and they completed the process. That year, they got a bumper crop. They made a lot of profit. And on the hindsight, they understood the meaning of the great treasure. Now, wait a minute. This story could have ended in any way. Either the farmer would have had left a real treasure, his sons would have lived happily for some time, wasted all the money, and came back to their sad state because they didn't know the value of hard work. Or they could have felt angry, cursed their father, and still lived a miserable life on not finding the treasure. Many a times, adversity brings a lot of opportunity for growth. It's our predicament. It's our choice. What do we choose eventually? Now, in these unprecedented times, there are a lot of opportunities to grow. Will you choose to grab those opportunities and grow? Will you sow the seeds? This is Avinash Singh from Training Influence, telling you that life doesn't get easier. We get stronger by facing it.